Hi, this is Stephen Katz with Skyladder Drones. I was at a construction site right here and decided to fly over a car lot that a lot of dealerships have. And so I flew over the car lot and created a quick orthomosaic. Wanted to show a tool that my software partner now has. It's a really cool tool. It allows you to count cars. So I select the area that I want to include in the count. So this is currently in beta testing and it's working really well and you'll be able to see. So this was not pre-selected or anything like that. Just select the area. As you can see, it's an orthomosaic. I think I flew it at 200 feet. It's a small 4-acre site, so you can see that it's 4.3 acres. And if you look at the count, it's 635 cars. And if you want to see what that consists of, you can see how the program automatically saw cars, and each one of these dots, as you can see, is a car. And so it kind of misses some things sometimes, but looks pretty good. But so, for example, down here it missed a couple things and double counted these, so it couldn't see the contrast. So you can see you can take away dots, add a couple dots just to clean it up, and so it's really easy to clean up. Clean up. Oops, I'm adding a couple extra, but you get the idea. And in a very quick time, you have the inventory of an area, and you have 633, 632 cars. So car lot count. So really cool tool. I'm working with some other partners that count other things. For example, trees. You can train it to count a variety of other things, including, for example, buses, and even add things that might have inventory numbers, like trucks might have an inventory number or a trailer ID number on the top of the truck. It actually can read that trailer ID number. So not only can it identify the truck, but working with a partner that actually can recall the name, tell you where it is on the map, and what serial number or trailer ID number it is. Hope you find this interesting. I just think this is the coolest thing ever. So, car counting by Skyladder Drones. Thanks so much.